Hello friends, welcome to my channel Level Up Phonics. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you like the content, please hit the like button. In this video, we are going to learn long vowel A. So what is long vowel? As in the previous video, we have learned long vowels means which takes the letter name, not sound. So that is long vowel. And there are ways to spell the long vowel. Okay, so this is called magic E. This video also I have covered what is magic E. If E comes in the end of the word, the alternate letter which is vowel that takes the letter name. So this is A. Oh, let us see how we pronounce. Ache, fake. Ale, male. Ale, pale. Ale, came. So here we are pronouncing A as A only. And again, AI sound is also A. A, L, male. P, A, L, pale. P, A, pain. Dr, A, drain. And again, AY sound is also A. So what is the difference where to write AI and AY? If the sound A comes in the middle of the word, we will write A, and if the sound of A comes in the end of the word, we will write AY. So let us read. AY sound is also A. A, ray. A, pray. A, tray. So these are the long vowel A spelling. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.